Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download configure email templates in Zoho CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup section. In the Setup menu, locate and click on Templates. From the Templates dashboard, select the type of email template you want to download. You will see various options for email templates categorized by different modules. Choose the appropriate category that suits your requirement. After selecting the category, find the specific template you want to download. Click on the template title to open it. In the template view, look for the download button typically located at the top right corner. Click on the download button. The template will be downloaded in a compatible format, usually HTML or PDF. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Next, return to the Zoho CRM dashboard and navigate back to the Setup section. Click on Email under the Automation category. Select Templates once again. Now, you will upload the downloaded template. Click on the Create Template button to start the configuration process. Choose the Import from File option to upload your downloaded template. Browse your computer to locate the downloaded file and select it. Once the file is selected, click Open to upload it. The system will process the file and display a preview of the template. Ensure that the content appears as expected in the preview. Make any necessary adjustments to the template content or design using the editor tools. After finalizing the modifications, proceed to save your changes. Click on the Save button to complete the configuration. Your email template is now successfully configured and ready to use in Zoho CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.